Hey there, everyone. My name is Jake, and I'm a Web3 developer. I created this video to share something really valuable with you. And yes, it's absolutely free. I believe anyone should have the opportunity to access this knowledge and start exploring new ways to earn. If you find this video helpful, I truly appreciate your support for my channel. It keeps me motivated to share it even more with you. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create and use Ethereum sniping bot with the help of AI, specifically ChatGPT. This bot has already been generating daily passive income for me and my students, and I'm excited to show you how it works. Here's the deal. This bot keeps an eye on the blockchain, constantly tracking new tokens and price shifts. The moment it spots an opportunity, it reacts instantly, buying or selling tokens before traders even know what's happening. That speed gives you a major advantage to profit from price fluctuations. What makes this bot truly powerful is its advanced algorithms that detect new listings or sudden price changes, making automatic deals for you in real time. And if all that sounds complicated, don't worry, it's actually pretty simple, and you don't need to know how to code. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. So let's get started. I requested ChatGPT to create a code for an Ethereum smart contract that would automatically identify and search for opportunities to seize these tokens. Now, let's proceed to Remix. Remix is a Web3 app that enables the development, compilation, deployment, and execution of smart contracts done in the Solidity programming language. I will provide a link to the Remix in the description below. Please make sure that you have the MetaMask extension installed in your browser and are connected to the Ethereum blockchain network. If you are using Remix for the first time, you may be prompted to agree to their terms, so I've already done that. Now, navigate to the sidebar on the left and create a new contract. Let's call it bot.sol. Then copy the code you received from ChatGPT and paste it into your newly created bot.sol file. So this is it. This is our automated trading sniping bot. I will also include the code in this description so you can copy it. After inserting the code, there are a couple of things worth noting. Lines 13 and 14 are particularly important. These are the addresses of tokens linked to the cost of Ether, known as wrapped tokens. These are the tokens we will be competing against. In fact, you don't need them. Yes, that's right. This is the official address for wrapped Ether. It's always a good idea to check it. So let's get back to the remix. Now that our bot file is ready, let's compile it. As you can see, it is coded in Solidity version 0.6.6. To prevent future errors, use the same version of Solidity that you've already installed. The Solidity and EVM versions are set to the default. Enable optimization. Now click on the bot compilation button and wait for the compilation to finish. Then we will deploy it in our wallet. Go to the deploy and execute transactions section in Remix. Here we need to choose the injected provider as for our environment. To confirm the contract on the blockchain, we must pay the gas fee. Gas, also known as gas fees, is the cost of deploying a smart contract. The deployment under the utility is now ready for launch. Click Deploy. I always set the gas to a high level. The difference in gas is usually insignificant, but it greatly boosts my transactions so far. Now, we are awaiting confirmation of this transaction. We've got the confirmation of our transaction has been completed, which means that our smart contract has been deployed. Now we can explore the capabilities of our smart contract. The Start button initiates the monitoring of the markets by the bot. The Withdraw button stops the bot and transfers funds back to the wallet. What's more, you can check the current balance in the bot's account. When the smart contract is deployed, we copy its address and verify it on Etherscan. As you can see, my wallet is the creator of this contract. Excellent. Then we're going to transfer a small amount of Ether to it, which will be used for crypto trading in the future. Make sure that you've entered the correct address of your wallet. You may fund your smart contract with any amount of Ether, but remember that the more funds you invest, the larger transactions you will be able to make, which, by the way, potentially increases your profit over time. And this is undoubtedly nice. So we can see now that our funds have been credited to the smart contract, and that's confirmed by the transaction we've just made. Great work. 2 ethers were sent to the contract. That's exactly the amount we put on the contract just before. And our last step is to press start button. After that, our bot is to start tracking the mempool to search for various liquidity pairs. For further use of the sandwich attacks transaction strategy, let's set a gas speed to high, save it, and click confirm. We are waiting for its confirmation now. There you go. Now let's go to Etherscan and make sure that our bot is running. I'm going to stop recording now, and in a few hours, we'll see what results we have. So here I am again, and it's been about 5 hours. Let's see what we've got. As you can see, I now have about 2.6 ethers, which is already 30% of the profit. Here you can see some bots transactions, which in total brought 0.6 ethers to us. Let's turn to the remix, and as we can see, the bot's balance is the same. Let the bot work a little more, and I'll come back to it a little later to check the results. So let's refresh the page and see what we've got. Wow, nice work. The balance is slightly more than 2.8 ethers. So it turns out that I earned more than half of my deposit just in one day so far. Wow, that's really impressive. The bot will continue to run until we click the withdraw button. When we click withdraw, the bot stops trading and returns to all previously earned ether, including profits, back to the wallet. Let's click on this button. It will really take a little gas, and I'll set the level high again and press confirm. That's all. It's done by now. The transaction has been successfully completed. Please check your MetaMask wallet to see the results. As you can see, my bot has already deposited the funds into your wallet. Excellent. In the past, I have earned between 3 and 6 ethers, sometimes even more. The amount of ethers I get depends on the Ethereum network's capacity. So are there any questions? I'm going to delete this video soon, as it is for my personal channel and subscribers only. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Find out how to get Profit Web 3.0.